We're joined now by Russell Ray, the editor of the Journal Record. And Russell, Oklahoma's medical marijuana business is booming, but some banks are reluctant to deposit the profits. Why not?
Well, that's because the use of marijuana is still illegal under federal law. This is problematic because nearly 30 states, including Oklahoma, now have some form of legalized marijuana. So the banking industry is hoping Congress will take some action to remove the risk of providing basic banking services to medical marijuana businesses. The Journal Record recently hosted a panel discussion on the issue. A few banks are taking the risk of providing these services, but the cost to businesses for these services can exceed $1,000 a month.
You know, I noticed Oklahoma's rig count is down 42%. That sounds alarming, is it?
Well, according to some economists, the weekly rig count is no longer the best measure to gauge the health of the oil and gas industry. They say the rise of multi-pad drilling and the decreased time it takes to start production means the rig count can't be used to quantify its impact on production levels. Well, without knowing the specifics of each drilling project, it's difficult to say how these projects are affecting the bottom line. It's more about cash flow and less about maintaining reserves through capital projects.
Once popular plane is going back into production, and that's good news for Norman.
That's right. Commander Aircraft Corporation recently announced plans to build an $8 million facility in Norman to resume production of its single-engine aircraft. The company halted production after it filed for bankruptcy in 2002. The new facility at University North Park will create 30 to 50 jobs in aerospace and mechanical engineering, and it's expected to pump about $75 million into the local economy over a 10-year period.
Yeah, big time. Finally, another boost in funding for career tech in Oklahoma. Tell us more about that.
Well, the state has increased funding for career tech schools by about $19 million. That boosted the career tech budget up to $141 million. This is going to help schools like the Moore Norman Technology Center, which plans to expand its programs for careers in everything from healthcare to auto repair. And many of these schools are at capacity right now and have a waiting list to get into these programs. Last year, more than 550,000 students were enrolled in career tech classes across the state.
Russell Ray, thank you very much.
My pleasure, Rich. Thank you.